Today we are going to cook Moringa oleifera pods. You know these beans? These beans, they have more than vitamin A than 1 kilogram. One bean has more than one vitamin A than 1 kg of carrots. So and vitamin A, B, C, all the vitamins are there. Vitamin E is also there. Iron, calcium, zinc, magnesium, all these. This is a nature's vitamin pharmacy, full of antioxidants, full of natural vitamins and minerals. So today I asked my gardener to get some beans from this Moringa oleifera tree. These two trees, this one and this one, I planted these about 2 years ago, and they were very small babies. And now you can see they are giving the fruits during this corona lockdown period. If you don't have vegetables, you can just take the moringa. You can cook moringa beans, so you won't have any lack of vitamins or lack of any energy. So it can be given to all, elderly, young, anybody. Moringa leaves, you can even make tea of moringa leaves. People also make oil of moringa leaves, moringa, and they put on hair. So you can read the benefits of moringa in the over the internet. You will be surprised to know. Bhaskar, I think it is enough. We have a lot now. See, a lot of them. So now he's coming down. Moringa, I wanted to make a lecture on moringa tree, but I think I have shown you practically about the theory. You can read about the benefits of moringa. You see the leaves, you can grow this tree in your house, near your house. This has a lot of vitamin C, more than oranges, more than lemons. This has more vitamin E than almonds. It has more vitamin A than carrots. It has more B complex, vitamin B complex, all B vitamins. So all these, most of these trees I have planted them. These trees, you see, this is Arjuna growing, this is Amla growing, Amla, Arjuna, this is Bibitki, Baheda, Bibitki growing here, Bibitki trees. This is mulberry, mulberry is also growing. This is Karanja, Pangemia, that is Lawsonia enormis, that one, that is for the hair color. This is lemon tree. So all that, my another gardener, I told him to get this Shankh Pushpi for me inside my house. So he is taking out the Shankh Pushpi from the garden. So we are growing here everything. Now the police is coming.